You never forget to charge your cell phone at night. So how about charging every single cell in your body with scalar wave energy, light, and color therapy at Infinite Possibility Center right in Marlton, New Jersey for this special Valentine weekend, Saturday and Sunday. Purchase an hour, bring a friend for free, a 2-for-1 special, something unique and different as a Valentine Day gift. This is Elsie Kerns from Infinite Possibility Center, and I would love to share this very latest technology with you in our Wellness Center, which also has a wonderful full spectrum sauna, massages available, and many other just healthy lifestyle options. Click the link, come join us. We'd love to introduce you to the EES system and all the classes that we hold right in the EES room.